Rcole10. Oh, news. Oh, what good? It's me, Rcole10. We're in Alabama now. But listen to the news. Today, we just have a rainy day. A little bit rainy day. Also, other citizen named Will Watson. Take away, Will Watson. Okay, so, alright, thank you so much, Mr. Rcole10 Newsbreaker. I really appreciate, but my mushrooms are just kind of look strange. I don't know what happened to it, but if you don't see it, my mushroom is finally got ripped apart, and I think that we're just working on our house, and here, and then there's everywhere. My friends are just trying to use the rain, and it's just a lot of stuff. There's a lot of rains in the whole Alabama stuff of a lot of everyone. That they just have a horrible raining day in the whole country. So make sure to be careful about the rain. Maybe there's going to be big rains. We see the big rain before, and then it's just a little bit of rain. Maybe there's going to be big rain. Make sure, kids, get your umbrellas, and then where you want to stay outside. And make sure, be careful. Thank you so much, Mr. Will Wilson. I really appreciate it. And next we have another one called named John Rookie. Hello, what's up? I'm in this stayer here, and it's a rainy day. You can see that there's a lot of rain. It's draining, and I got cars that are just splashing all over here. And then I can't believe it. Oh man, I work at my sheeps, but it was a rainy day. My sheeps are scared, so I use a lot of umbrellas. I can't show you that, but yeah, I just can't believe it. I just look at the dogs, two little cute dogs by this lady, and then I am so tired. Oh boy, I don't know. Okay, I have too much work to do. See ya. Thank you, Mr. John. And then we have our final citizen name, Jenny. What's his name? Jenny Ben. Take away, Jenny Ben. You're the final one. Oh, I'm sorry, but I thought it was a little bit big rain here. I'm very wet. So, I was the police when I was a year ago. And my place is just a little bit stopped raining. So I think there's more raining over here. I became a policeman when I was here to try to stop all the people. And then I didn't work very well, but also I just moved to Alabama because I didn't come back at home when my mom said, "Where you been?" And then I said that, well, it was a long road to go to work. Yeah, in this Alabama, trying to get the gas. It was started in 12, and I need to go there. And then tried to stop the rain, but it was too late. It's just raining out here. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate. Well, thank you so much for joining us for our Rcole10 news. Have fun for the rainy day, but if it gets too big rain, stay inside. See you next time. Rcole10 News. Boom, subscribe.